Hi, welcome back to the course. In this module, we're going to learn what steganography is and how to implement it to hide information in files. So, let's begin. According to some experts, steganography is the technique of hiding secret data within an ordinary, non-secret file or message in order to avoid detection. The secret data is then extracted at its destination. The word steganography comes from the Greek word steganos, meaning hidden or covered, and the Greek root graph, meaning to write. Steganography can be used to conceal almost any type of digital content, including text, image, video, or audio content. The data to be hidden can be hidden inside almost any other type of digital content. The content to be concealed through steganography is often encrypted before being incorporated into the innocuous-seeming covered text file or data stream. If not encrypted, the hidden text is commonly processed in some way to increase the difficulty of detecting the secret message. The resulting output is called the stegotext. However, the idea of steganography is to hide data rather than encrypting it. While there are many legitimate uses for steganography, malware developers have also been found to use steganography to obscure the transmission of malicious code. In modern digital steganography, the data is first encrypted or obfuscated in some other way and then inserted using a special algorithm into data that is part of a particular file format, such as JPG image, audio, or video file. The secret message can be embedded into ordinary data files in many different ways. One technique is to hide data in bits that represent the same color pixels repeated in a row in an image file. By applying the encrypted data to this redundant data in some inconspicuous way, the result will be an image file that appears identical to the original image but that has noise patterns of regular unencrypted data. The practice of adding a watermark, a trademark, or other identifying data hidden in multimedia or other content files is one common use of steganography. Watermarking is a technique often used by online publishers to identify the source of media files that have been found being shared without permission. While there are many different uses of steganography, including embedding sensitive information into file types, one of the most common techniques is to embed a text file into an image file. When this is done, anyone viewing the image file should not be able to see a difference between the original image file and the encrypted file. This is accomplished by storing the message with less significant bits in the data file. This process can be completed manually or with the use of a steganography tool. The primary advantage of using steganography to hide data over encryption is that it helps obscure the fact that there is sensitive data hidden in the file or other content carrying the hidden text, whereas an encrypted file, message, or network packet payload is clearly marked and identifiable as such. Using steganographic techniques helps to obscure the presence of the secure channel. Steganography is distinct from cryptography, but using both together can help improve the security of the protected information and prevent detection of the secret communication. If hidden data is also encrypted, the data may still be safe from detection, though the channel will no longer be safe from detection. There are advantages to using steganography combined with encryption over encryption-only communication. Steganography software is used to perform a variety of functions to hide data, including encoding the data to prepare it to be hidden inside another file, keeping track of which bits of the covered text file contain hidden data, encrypting the data to be hidden and extracting hidden data by its intended recipient. There are proprietary as well as open source and free-to-use programs available for doing steganography. OpenStego is an open source steganography program. Other programs can be characterized by the types of data that can be hidden as well as what types of files the data can be hidden inside. Some online steganography software tools include SHAO steganography used to hide secret files in BMP images or WAV files. Another one is image steganography, a JavaScript tool that hides images inside other image files, and Crypture, a command line tool that is used to perform steganography. Before finishing, here's a quick question for you. What does the word steganography means? Do you think it's A, hidden file, or B, hidden writing, or C, hidden image, or maybe D, hidden rock? The answer here is B. The word steganography comes from Greek history and means hidden writing. To sum up, the idea of steganography is to hide data rather than encrypting it. This is becoming more and more important because users can be forced to reveal their passwords. If there is no way for an adversary to prove that encrypted data exists, and even more important, no way for the owner of the data to prove that they can reveal all passwords, then they can effectively deny they were in possession of encrypted data. Please check the references for more information and join me in the next video where we will do a hands-on practice on steganography.